नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JBN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic Objective and Function of Maintenance Management. I have already discussed about maintenance management in the previous videos. Uh, for this maintenance management, you can say share the objective of analyzing production and finding the best practices and processes within a specific field. So this analyzing reports from CMMS, this let you control cost, schedule work properly and efficiently, and ensures failures and breakdowns are kept to a minimum. So you can say there are some main objectives which I will discuss here. The first one is the cost control budgeting. This is very important one. And this maintenance management tools provide managers with the information necessary to properly allocate funds from the budget. The cost control is important because some costs are a better use of the company's funds than others. For example, a maintenance manager might need to buy a replacement part for an asset. So she might have to choose between a cheaper part that's less durable and or more expensive, which is longer lasting part. Okay, so she prefers to choose this one. Okay. Now the another objective is the scheduling work, allocating resources. Scheduling work and allocating the resources of time and labor. So they are at their most productive, play a key role in efficiency because schedule for maintaining the schedule you need to plan out, and then after planning you need to allocate the resources. Like, so for example, if the maintenance manager needs to verify the timely delivery of a product, so she might be inclined to prioritize for cliffs maintenance to ensure that product can be moved around the warehouse and onto the delivery truck without interpretation. The second is the compliance and regulations. In this, maintenance management tools help organizations comply with regulations at the local and the state and federal levels. It may seems like the cheaper option to assign one operator to a particular assets, even though the law states two employees should be assigned for safety reasons. The another objective is to uncover maintenance trends. While looking into historical data, so this historical data helps managers to get a clear picture of what exactly goes on during day-to-day operations. Okay, so the CMMS software, for example, can uncover things like why an asset seems to be consistently under performing. Another objective is minimize downtime loss. In this, a good maintenance management program helps mitigate the loss of productive time due to failure by establishing a planned maintenance. This fewer production stoppages means less lost revenue. Another objective is the extend asset life. Means organizations invest heavily in machineries, you know very well. So for this, maintenance is also required. So maintenance management program help ensure equipment and infrastructure always in good condition. So regular maintenance extends the useful life of machinery, facilities and other components by minimizing wear and tear. Another objective is enhance equipment. Uh, in this objective, spinning off the objective of extending the life of the assets, maintenance management also enhances existing equipment through modifications, extensions or new low cost items. The next objective is the training. Maintenance management programs should include training personnel in specific maintenance skills, improving operational safety, advising on the acquisition, installation and operation of machinery and enhancing the quality of the finished product. Now there are some importance, you can say importance of maintenance management is what? uh, there are some you can say many organizations still believe in the old methodology, so which suggests to not to fix anything unless it's broken, right? So for breaking this myth, we will suggest you to go for preventive maintenance management as it has many benefits. And what are those benefits? First one is the operator and machine safety. In this, by performing regular preventive maintenance, you will always be assured that your equipment will operate under safe conditions, both for the machine and the operators. So possibly issues can be cut off before it tends to cause any harm without taking any chance. The next one is the machine efficiency. In this, with normal wear and tear, machines can cause lower efficiencies. Proper preventive maintenance management will ensure you the optimal working conditions of the equipment and moreover conserves its lifespan. Now third one is the time savings. For this planned preventive maintenance management will reduce the actual downtime caused by the breakdown and further enhance the products that do in less time. So thereby saving a lot of time, preventive maintenance will consume less time than the time taken in emergency repairs and replacement. Now come to the functions of maintenance management. There are some important functions of maintenance management and asset management. First is the develops maintenance policies, procedures and standards for the maintenance as well as assets management system. Second function is the schedule the maintenance work after getting the right consultation from the concerned production departments. And the third is carries out the repairs and corrects the planned equipment to achieve the required level of availability and optimum operational efficiency. The next one is that it ensures scheduled inspections, lubrications and oil checking and adjustment of all the machinery and equipment. The next function is the documents and maintains the records of every maintenance activities, that is repairs, replacement, overhauls, modifications and lubrications, etc. So for this it maintains and carries out repairs of buildings, utilities, materials, etc. The next is the carries out and facilities the regular inspections of equipment and facilities to know their conditions if there is any failure or stoppage in production. Next is the prepares the inventory list of spare parts and materials that are required for the maintenance. This is all about today's session, and this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.